Wait, General, you're alive? How? I've been revived by something. Anyway, you remember Plague and Crow, right? Turns out they've been revived as well. And the Birdsies have a brand new leader, Oogway. Oh, I can't believe we've been revived. Now we can get all the valuables back. The riches. And this time, Fast Shooter and Crow are guarding this. Oh, it's so valuable. Yeah. World War III is beginning! Wait, World War III? What? 3, 2, 1, whatever, fight. Oh god, World War III again! I can't wait to kill some of the Birdataries. What about me? Shut up, binoculars. You don't count. What? Yeah. General, what's going on? Seems that we're losing. Turn around. What? Turn around. Okay. Crow. Goodbye. Halt! Smash! Not this time. Hello, Oogway. What do you want, Svensson? Well, appears that we are losing some members. Only one of our members have died. That's Binoculars. And so far, the Birdatary has been losing many members. Good. Never mind. General just died. There's this maniac, and he's killing a lot of us. Okay, well, then shoot him. Alright. General! Boots. Oh, no. Who did this to you? It was Crow. Crow? Oh, no. Leave me. I'm not going to make it anyway. I can't leave you. Leave me, please. Okay. Valuables. Alright, get away from that. Dude, do you know how much money you're stealing in that pot? Oh, we get 11 valuables. Sorry I'm late. Wait, you just shot him? Yep. And as for you two, you guys don't even fight. All you guys do is just complain about valuables. You're useless in our group. Oh, I don't think so, Plague. Oh god, we're losing members. It's okay. Hold it right there, Oogway. Kill them! With pleasure. Oh, jeez. Get them, minions. A double-bladed lightsaber? What the? What's going on? Surrender now, Crow. Well, I killed him. Oh no, the Birdsies cannot lose World War III. Get them, my minions. Where'd they go? I am the reason why they're gone. What the heck? Wrong. Trump? Yes. What are you doing here? Oh, wrong. Can you not? Wrong. Where the heck did he go? I deleted him out of existence. You deleted the leader of the Botsies. The Birdsies, I mean, Uguay. Yep. I mean, thanks. No problem.